You can see my payout has been verified successfully. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to verify documents for payment accounts when your verification information is no longer available. Your payment account has an error verified documents to receive payouts, but for some personal reasons such as lost documents or old devices, you cannot complete the verification. This causes the money you earn from the tools provided by Facebook to not be paid. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Note this way can help you verify any errors on Payout. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your Facebook page link in the first box. Then enter your personal page link in the second box. Note that you and the funding source page must be payout administrators. In step 3, paste the text I have prepared for you. No, edit according to your information. Finally, add a screenshot of your violation. Click Send. Now, wait for about 2 to 3 hours, then go back to Payout. You will see your payout is verified successfully. Note, if not, try again after 1 to 2 hours. It will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see my payout has been verified successfully. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to verify documents for payment accounts when your verification information is no longer available.